Fresh from finishing an EUSS appeal in court this morning. Hello, this is Kareesha Turner, your human rights barrister in Kareesha Law. Most of the EUSS appeals are being refused, and late marriages, marriages that took place after the deadline of 31st of December 2020 are also being refused. So I thought I'd make a video on what can help in these cases, although I don't know the outcome of my case yet. So, number one, when did you give the notice of marriage? This is important. Was it before the 31st of December 2020 or after the deadline? Number two, prepare and submit a skeleton argument. This is perhaps more a matter for your barrister or your lawyer who's working with you on the case, as most, or I would say some judges and lawyers are not familiar with EU legislations and regulations. You will be relying on the UK EU withdrawal agreement, statement of changes, HC 813 of the immigration rules, citizenship directive, appendix EU, parliament's briefing, and so on and so forth. It's a long list. I'm not going to bore you with all this, but I argued all of this morning in my case. So it's important that your judge, and the reason I say that is that you help your judge understand the law and make a decision in your favour. Remember, all of this is new. In the absence of a test case, there are various arguments that you can run. The Home Office has not made any concessions for late marriages with notice given within the deadline. I believe this ought to be challenged, but we will see. Finally, what I'm seeing in court with the Home Office and dealing with EUSS appeals, they're raising new matters on the day of the appeal. So quite late in the day, but also trying to rectify a defective or a bad refusal letter. Now, depending on what they're raising, it might be wise to either adjourn or go ahead with it, or simply deal with or oppose the new matter. Such as this morning, my case of this morning, the Home Office raised the genuineness of the marriage, of the relationship, as my client, the couple, got married a month after they met. Although this was not in the refusal letter, none of this was mentioned, we decided to go ahead anyway, because the burden of proof in cases like this, genuineness of marriage, sham or marriage of convenience, is on the Home Office. So, well, we decided to proceed. So it's important to have a lawyer who knows EU law, understands EU law, and know what they're doing. If you have an EUSS appeal, contact me on the number down below, and I will aim to help. Thank you for watching Kareesha Law.